Hi everyone and welcome back to another 3D revolution. People get into 3D printing for all sorts of reasons, whether it's to design and print your own creations, to print figures and create cosplay, the sheer geeky joy of the 3D printing machine itself, or to design and print things that you can use to repair things you already own in your real world. And that last thing's a real draw for me. One of the big attractions for 3D printing for me is the ability to design something in my head and through the magic of technology have that become a real world item. I've used my 3D printers to repair all sorts of stuff in the past, everything from broken door handles, jackets and bags to cameras, drones, the lot. It's an invaluable feature for anyone with a 3D printer. Now I'm lucky, I enjoy the challenge of designing my own repairs for things, but what if you don't have the knowledge or time to do 3D design? Yes, there are other people's designs that have been uploaded to Thingiverse and printables.com, but they're not always ideal. They're not necessarily a like-for-like replacement for the thing that you're trying to repair, and it may not be what you're after. With the right to repair laws that have been discussed over the last few years, it would make sense if people with 3D printers could just download official parts. As part of a first step to this grand and likely rather distant goal, Prusa has been speaking to a number of companies, each of whom have now published a series of official designs on printables.com. The list of companies is still quite small, but some of the more notable ones are Raspberry Pi, Noctua, and even Cooler Master. The range of designs that each of these companies have uploaded so far is still very small, from things like replacement casing components to fan mounts. It's obviously still very early days in this process. To identify which company profiles on printables.com are official, they feature a blue tick on the profile page, and that's quite reminiscent of a particular social network, or at least a little birdie tells me. As I said, this is super early days still, but if the feedback from this goes well and more companies start cooperating and getting involved, we could live in a future where if anything breaks, you just go to the official website and download a like-for-like replacement part. Who knows, in 10 years' time, your car door could break, and you could literally fix it by going to the website, and with a few clicks, you've got a like-for-like replacement. You wouldn't download a car. Well, perhaps in the near future, you will. Most of the companies already cooperating with this are already involved in the makers world somehow, the makers community, but I would love to see bigger companies get involved. Imagine Samsung releasing official replacement phone backs, or even just battery door covers for TV remotes, or Ring releasing ring hoods for doorbells, or DJI releasing 3D printable replacement parts for anything. I'll leave a link in the description below to the official Printables page, which lists all of the different companies that are involved in this and links through to all of their profile pages. I'd love to hear what companies you would like to see get involved with this, so make sure you comment below and also let me know what official products you think should be made available through this service. As always, thank you for joining me for another 3D revolution. I've got a lot of fun videos coming out for the new year, so make sure you keep an eye out for them. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks very much.